Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a new Shea Moisture product that I just happened to walk upon on Target. This is how my hair turned out using this product. So if you're interested in seeing that, just stay tuned. Alright you guys, so the product that I'm going to be trying out for the first time is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Plus Repair Whipped Curl Cream. So if you guys don't know, I absolutely love the shampoo and conditioner from this line, and I was literally in Target minding my business, wasn't even looking for no styling products, and I saw this and I was like, oh no, we've got to try it, and then we've got to show everybody how it does, because everything else in this line is top tier for me. So I'm excited to see how this works. I am going to try this two ways, I believe. In this video, we're going to do a wash and go, and then next week I will upload a twist out, just because I want to give this a fair chance. On the directions, it says apply after generously spraying hair with the multi-action leave-in, which I'm not doing. Apply to clean, damp hair and work through. Style as desired and air dry or diffuse to finish your look. So this isn't one of those products that says, you know, great for twist styles or wash and go styles. It literally just says style as desired. So we're gonna style two ways and see which way works best. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair, and I plan on seeing how this works in my hair, and then we're gonna decide whether I want to add gel or not for the wash and go. Now the twist out, I probably won't add any gel, but we're gonna see how this does. This is the consistency of it. It is very like thick. It's not like a lightweight cream. Like, it's got some heavy weight to it. It smells just like everything else in the line, that like sweet honey type smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair like I'm going to do a wash and go. And we're gonna start out light because we don't know how thick this whipped is. This is all that I'm putting in my hair right now. And we're just gonna apply that to the section. I don't really feel anything spectacular. I'll try just a little bit more. Okay. I'm gonna grab my dimming brush and just kind of comb or brush that product through the rest of the section. Okay, so immediately I recognize that it is not clumping my curls. Now from a moisture standpoint, like, it feels really soft, it feels really moisturized, but I'm not getting any curl definition from this. So we're gonna go in with the gel on top of it for sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this entire section, put the curl cream through it, and then come back and apply the gel on top of it. And I've also decided that since this cream isn't doing much for curl definition, I am gonna do a little bit bigger sections with the cream and still use my dimming brush to comb it and spread the product throughout. But because it's not really defining my hair, I don't really need to do it like section by section, because really it's gonna be more of just a moisture and shine basis to go under the gel, not really anything activating my curls. Alright guys, so I've got that product all throughout my sections. These curls feel so moisturized and juicy. Like, from a moisture standpoint, my hair loves this cream. Now from a definition standpoint, I told you guys I am going to go in with some gel. So the gel that I'm going to be going on top of this with is the Eco Styler Arganol gel in smaller sections, because I'm doing a wash and go to try to get this as defined as possible. So although I did start going in bigger sections with the cream, I am going to kind of go back to my smaller sections and start applying the gel on top of this. I'm gonna do that all throughout the hair because this video is not about the gel, so I'll speed that up. Come back, let you guys see how it's looking. We'll get to drying and showing y'all how it turns out. Okay, so I have gel all throughout the section. It's looking a lot more promising as far as a wash and go is concerned. I started out just kind of re-wetting and then applying the gel and then using my dimming brush. But as it went on, I realized that because this is so thick, it's actually better to apply the water, then comb it out, and then rake the gel, just so that the gel is able to smooth out my hair so that I don't have like still some frizzy areas like this, so that it gets a little bit more like, you know, smoother clumped curls. So if you are going to do this for a wash and go, I would definitely suggest. It does seem like it's pairing really well with the Eco Styler right now. It's smooth, the Eco Styler is going on, I'm getting the clumpage. So I would just say add the water first, just so that gel is able to slide and glide on top of that thick cream. So I'm done talking, I promise y'all I'm done. Next time y'all see me, my whole head will be done, and I will be gonna tell you how I'm gonna dry it. That's it, that's it. The gel wasn't taking to my curls as well as I know it could. So I just decided to spray water in the entire section and then go ahead and piece by piece detangle and add the gel, and that is what's giving me the best looking results here in the front of my hair. Got it figured out, I think. At least the front. See how those are just very extremely clumped, and I know that those are gonna stretch well and dry, define. So yeah, the front section definitely looking way better than what we got going on back here. So in this section here, I am just going to take my water bottle, and like I told you guys, I'm gonna spray the entire section once, and that's it. We going in with gel for the rest of the time. So I know I said I was gonna stop talking, but these are things, you know, as you're reviewing a product that you may want to know. And it may be differently for your hair, especially depending on your porosity. These are just little nuggets that hopefully can help y'all out when y'all are styling. Alright you guys, so I got that gel throughout the rest of my hair. I'm going to turn around and let you guys see how it looks. I am going to go ahead and sit under the dryer. It's February, it's cold, and it's also nighttime, so I'm not trying to go to bed with a wet head. So I am going to go ahead and sit under the dryer and let this dry for the most part, and then tomorrow I may diffuse it before I stretch it. I'm going to stretch my hair, do my edges, and then come back and let you guys see how it turned out. So I have stretched my hair, done a little edges, and this is how my hair turned out. It's really cute. Like, it looks really good. It's so soft and moisturized. Like, it's not dry anywhere. Like, nowhere up in here is my hair dry. Now, those areas when I told you guys yesterday that I probably could have applied the product a little bit better, you see I have a little bit of frizz, but overall I'm happy with this, and I would use this again for a wash and go. I am still excited to try it for my twist out, but y'all, it worked really well with the gel. I don't really have much flaking or beating up of that cream. It goes well underneath the gel. My hair smells good. It's lightweight, actually. It's not as heavy as I was expecting. Now, it is a lot heavier than if I was just doing like a leave-in, but I think it'll help my hair retain that moisture and last throughout the week. So I sat under the dryer yesterday for probably about an hour, maybe a little bit more than an hour, to allow my hair to dry. Then I had to diffuse a few parts, threw my bonnet on, woke up this morning, stretched my hair, and here I am. I did a little bit of edges, but this hair is held. Like, I definitely have hold. I know sometimes when you put a gel on top of a cream, you kind of lose that hold. Not with this cream. My hair is a little way down. It's not as light as it could be, but I'm actually okay with that for this wash and go, because I feel like it may help it last and keep its longevity. But yeah, you guys, you saw my hair at the beginning. This is it. I like this for a wash and go. I am still very much so excited to try it for a twist out next week. So y'all stay tuned for that video. Yeah, I'm gonna let you guys see the back, and that'll be it. Any questions or comments, or if you've seen this product and tried it, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.